How to turn off notification on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notification on AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with a registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will be forwarded to this section. Once you click on it, you can see this option for Activate Email Notification. Tap on Activate. If you want to turn off the notification, just simply turn off all these options. Now click on Yes. Turn it off, turn it off. Once you turn it off, you won't get notification from AliExpress. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn off notification on AliExpress website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.